In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an image directly from a web browser into Canva step by step. This is a super simple and fast method that saves you time because you don't need to download images to your computer and then upload them again. You can copy and paste images straight from the browser into your Canva design. This works great for presentations, social media posts, thumbnails, and pretty much any Canva project. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy Canva tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to canva.com. Make sure you're logged in to your Canva account. Once you're on the Canva home screen, you'll see all your recent designs, templates, and folders. From here, click on the file where you want to change or insert an image. This can be an existing design or a brand new one that you've just created. After your design opens, look for the image that you want to replace. Click directly on that image so it's selected. At this point, you have two options. You can either delete the existing image completely, or you can simply cover it by pasting a new image on top. Both methods work, so choose whatever feels easier for you. Next, open a new tab in your Chrome web browser. Now search for the image you want to use. For example, you can search for scenery pictures, product photos, or any image that fits your design. Once the search results load, click on the image you like to view it in a larger size. Now comes the important part. Hover your mouse over the image, right-click on it, and then select Copy Image. Make sure you're choosing Copy Image and not Copy Image Address, because that won't paste correctly into Canva. Once the image is copied, go back to your Canva design. Click anywhere on the canvas or make sure the old image is selected. Now press Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac to paste the image. Instantly, the new image will appear in your design. You can resize it, reposition it, or stretch it to fully cover the old image if needed. And that's it. You've successfully inserted an image directly from your web browser into Canva without downloading anything. This is one of the fastest ways to update images and keep your workflow smooth and efficient. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.